see me? You want me to kiss? Come here. Come here. Come here. You're supposed to run to the door and say, Daddy! Come here, give me a kiss. Come here. There you go. Kisses? Thank you.
Hi, big guy. Go show Daddy your new toy?
Oh, look at that. Did you play with it? No.
I just put it together. It was $7 at IKEA.
Yeah.
Pretty cool. Hi. Why are you sticking your tongue out?
Got the vine in the ground, you. Thank you.
Mm-hmm.
Really cool little lawns tonight.
Mm-hmm.
This afternoon, whatever. Just, I don't know what time we may get home Friday.
Yep, that's fine. We're getting the house ready for Zachary's birthday party. Zachary's turning 1. I'm filming. Oh, kitty. Don't crawl, get up. There you go.
I want to get you. I want to get you. I want to get you. Come on, I was chasing you last night, remember? Here I come.
What do you got, big guy? Don't smash your fingers, please. We just childproofed those drawers. Ha ha ha. Ow, you smashed your fingers. I told you not to. All right, say bye-bye to the camera. Bye-bye. But say bye-bye. You're not going to wave right now? Okay. We'll film some more later, okay? Okay.